Just try, like when we go into the corner, just try to turn your head with the same direction of the corner.
Okay.
And that should probably help you.
Thank you.
Yeah, and then when we get into the braking zone, just kind of push your head back against the head restraint. That will help you from getting that kind of, head bobbing going on.
Okay.
Yep. And I'm in normal mode, and I'm going to be manually shifting to automatic like we had the students doing today.
Okay.
Cool beans. You all set?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Looks like we got a clear road here. Got it. There we go. Looks like we've been teaching you guys to use all the racetrack, big arcs, nice and smooth steering. Try to minimize my steering input. Brake down here, brake, set the car, squeeze that throttle. Big left-handed corner. Steering the car with my right foot. A lot of vehicle dynamics happening right there with the weight transfer and the cornering forces. Big left-handed corner coming up. This will put us right up onto the bank. We just look out the top left corner of the windshield over here. You can see all the way through. All day long like that. It's pretty amazing how well they do.
That's awesome.
Awesome. Back around the chicane. See how funny the track is right here. You can imagine going 189 miles an hour going through the corner.
Yeah.
So let me hop around the night. Those guys are pretty crazy. So now we're going to pit for tires and fuel. Gotta pit. Coming in.
I'm so glad I went for this.
Yeah, I'm glad you did too. That was awesome.
It's terrific.
Well, thank you guys for being a customer of Ford and having a cool hot rod to enjoy and taking advantage of the class.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Oh, yeah, it was a fun
Guys,
group to train.
so great. Oh, this was awesome. I'm so glad I went.